aspiring SSC officers to appeal sa Magdagan ay campaign manager. So, ito mas ang tarpaulin para sa siya.
Wow! Gumaya na, wey.
We'll have first, ang una naman pakilala
ng president, no? Bakit na po?
Na
Did you ever...
taga-Tuansay.
Okay, wait, baka natin mo. Hi, gentlemen.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sheila Matibay, second year AD Political Science student from Humanities. So right there is I dare to care about accountability. So we all know here that accountability is always associated with transparency. So I and the whole Sagi party believe that SSC governance is in urgent need of accountability. So since I dare to care about accountability,
Abilo na po estudyante diri ba? Picture mo din.
exercise your right to vote this coming SSC election. So we are hoping that you will give us a chance to serve you in a higher perspective. So see you on election day. Thank you.
Hi, my name is...
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Michelle L. Lagrado, a third-year BS Biology student. I am standing in front of you because of a day. I'm there for a free university. We all know that our university
Ay, sagip.
is not properly
Pinita po to
shall we
is
say,
a... Marami sagip sa kilid.
100%.